Hi, welcome to Pinoy Swiss Abroad. If you're new to my channel, please try to watch in full before subscribing. This is the continuation of our previous travels from Waihee. Just a recap from my previous video, it is a celebration, a group celebration for the coming new year. We are a group of friends, 8 families, and we celebrate the new year by renting a batch for all of us. Hoping and wishing that this year will bring us luck. And on the next day, we celebrated on the beach. Yes, we need to look for shelter first before anything else. We're lucky to have found a cove. Not a cave, but a cove. Because when it's high tide, the water goes in there. Welcome to Waihee Beach. I don't need a filter in my camera to beautify this because this is just natural. Napakaganda po, di ba? This is our first time on the beach for the year 2021. Let's take some photos. Unfortunately, a day before we came, there was a shark attack. A shark mistake a surfer for a seal. Usually, a shark here don't harm the surfers. It's just unfortunate incident. Hindi naman po ganun karami ang shark dito kumpara sa Australia. It's very rare to have a shark attack here. Some good tips: not to swim early morning or late at night. Remember, this is their territory. Anong meron? Meron po kasing hole doon at nakita namin mga baby fishes. Ayan, sumilip pa nga siya, oh. And there's also a baby crab. Life is not just about being with the family. We need some good friends too to lighten our day. As you can see, the tide is coming in. It's getting high tide. Ang sarap po talagang mag-spend ng time dito. But everything must come to an end, so we have to go. That means 55 km/h only. Our next stop is the Waihee Gold. Yes, this small town has a heart of gold. You can actually book a tour to here. Just go to Eyesight. Eyesight is a tourist center for more information. Don't worry, you will be fitted with the safety gear and will be briefed about safety before proceeding to view the mining operation. Since we are not prepared for that, dito lang po kami, nagpo-view lang, okay na po sa amin to. There is also a pit rim walkway if you want to do some walking or exercise. So, where to next? Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang photoshoot. We're viewing the Ohinemuri River. This is the same river from the Waikino Bridge. Now we're on the way to the beach. We're stopping over the beach just for our last minute. A beach is a holiday home here in New Zealand. See that bridge? We're going there. This was actually featured from my previous video. Hanging bridge po kasi kaya medyo magalaw po siya. So yes, this is where we're going to next. And here is the Victoria Battery Gold Processing. It's only open on a Saturday and Sunday. If you're into selfie, this is good for your Instagram and Facebook. This is the Transformer House and Museum, pero wala po dyan sina Bumblebee. As I said before, you can book a tour here. You can do tramway ride, tunnel tour, and museum tour. New Zealand is really a laid-back country, especially in a little town like this. Here we are on our next stop. Welcome to Owarowa Falls. Beautiful, isn't it? This staircase falls is actually a series of 3 falls. Kaso, isa lang po yung nakita namin at hindi namin makita yung dalawa over the road lang. There are 2 accessible falls but we only went on to one. And the other one is not accessible. Here we are on the road again. Sinasamantala lang po namin, sayang ang araw. Guess where we are going? Yup, it's a blueberry farm. Please check my previous video about the strawberry farm. This is pick your own fruit and you have to register and get a bucket. You pay per kilo and which is much cheaper than the supermarket. As you can see, there's a lot of customers waiting for their orders of, yes, blueberry ice creams. This ends here. It's time to go home. Thank you for all those people who finished this video. Maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button.